Namaskaram and welcome to Chakra Awareness Meditation. Let's begin our practice by finding a comfortable position, a comfortable sitting position with keeping your back straight and body relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Whenever you are ready, then bring your awareness to notice the natural flow of your breath. No need to pay attention to your thoughts. Let them come and let them go. You are maybe aware of your thoughts, but you are not engaging yourself in thinking. Consciously be aware of your breath and be aware of the instructions. Let your breath be as natural as possible. Feel the breath. Witness the breath flow and notice if it is changing moment to moment. If you notice any tension in your body, then mentally loosen it up and let the body be at ease. Let the body settle down and feel grounded. Feel the sense of appreciation towards your own body. Acknowledge that you are here for yourself, knowing that in this moment you are safe, you are free. Let your awareness go more inwards for you to experience love and compassion emanating from within. Now, consciously become aware of the Mooladhara Chakra, the root chakra at the base of your spine, at the perineum. Imagine the red color is vibrating at Mooladhara Chakra. And this color is bringing balance in your life. Feel balanced. Moving up to Swadhisthana Chakra, the second chakra at the coccyx. Imagine color orange is emanating from the chakra and bringing a good flow in your life. Let your life flow smoothly. Moving up to Manipura Chakra, the navel chakra behind your belly button. Imagine the yellow color vibrating at your navel center. Appreciate the chakra as it brings freshness in your life. It's like you're being born in every moment. completely fresh. Moving your awareness to Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra behind your sternum. Experiencing the green color emanating for you to experience love and compassion. Allow yourself to feel love and compassion emanating from your heart chakra. Feel the love, feel the compassion for yourself. Bringing awareness to Vishuddhi Chakra, the throat chakra located at the pit of your throat. Imagining the color blue vibrating and bringing you the sense of inner contentment, bringing you the sense of inner peace, bringing you the sense of inner silence. Moving up to Ajna Chakra, the third eye chakra. Be fully aware of this chakra to feel the color indigo emanating from this chakra, located in between your eyebrows. And feel that this chakra is bringing you complete clarity and a spiritual vision to your perspective. Now take your awareness all the way up to your Sahasrara Chakra, the Crown Chakra. You may feel tingling at this chakra. Begin to imagine that your awareness is expanding from this center to the entire universe. Experience your connection with the universe, where the universe is entering in you through your crown chakra, and you are becoming one with the entire universe. Let the light of Supreme Being, the cosmic light, shine inside you, and all the 7 chakras are lit and shining bright inside you for you to experience the state of blissfulness. Continue with this practice for a little more time for you to witness this beautiful experience. Shift your awareness back to your breath to notice how relaxed, subtle, and smooth your breath is at the moment. It is reflecting your inner feelings. Relaxed, subtle, smooth, peaceful, and clear, crystal clear. Gently become aware of your body. Become aware of the sounds that you can hear at the moment. Become aware of the body temperature and the room temperature in which you're sitting. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. Have a blessed day. Om Shanti.